Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best black tank cleaner is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of RV maintenance, yet it's absolutely crucial for a pleasant travel experience. Nobody wants to deal with lingering odors or a malfunctioning waste system. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of black tank cleaners, exploring the top products on the market to help you keep your RV's black tank clean, fresh, and functioning flawlessly. Number 5. Unique RV Digested Classic RV Toilet Treatment. Tired of unpleasant odors in your RV? This treatment eliminates odors at the source. It also liquefies waste, making it easier to manage. This product breaks down human waste and all brands of household and RV toilet paper. This helps prevent clogs and makes dumping easier. It's a classic for a reason. Say goodbye to clogs in your tank and porta potty smells. You'll be a happy camper with this product. This treatment maintains working sensor probes. It stops black water tank sensor probes from misreading by liquefying waste. It also works in gray tanks. Make this a part of your camper essentials, no matter your camping style. It's septic safe and works in high temperatures. It helps you experience worry-free RVing. Every purchase includes exclusive access to our unique CARES program. You'll get expert assistance from our Colorado-based certified RV tech team to solve your wastewater issues. What we like. This product not only eliminates odors at the source but also breaks down waste effectively. It also maintains your sensor probes, ensuring accurate readings. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution that tackles multiple issues within your black tank, this is the one for you. What people say. Cleared up the kind of clog that gives RVers nightmares. Smells fresh enough to not question your life choices after flushing. It breaks down waste, it clears the air, it saves your trip and nose from despair. Number 4. Cabin Obsession RV Toilet Treatment Drop-ins. Tired of unpleasant odors in your RV? These concentrated treatment packs break down waste and eliminate odors from your camper holding tank. Your nose will thank you for using it. Unlike other chemicals, each packet contains natural enzyme deodorizers and waste digesters. They decompose waste within your RV septic tank, while releasing a fresh fragrance, like clean laundry. Using this product is simple. Just drop the self-dissolving packet into the toilet and flush. One packet treats up to a 40-gallon tank. For larger tanks, you may need more. This non-toxic treatment won't damage your holding tank. It works in all seasons, regardless of the temperature, providing you with consistent performance. We're confident you'll love this camper toilet treatment. Try it risk-free. If you're not happy within 60 days, contact us, and we'll make it right or give your money back. That's our promise. What we like. This product is designed to eliminate odors and break down waste with easy-to-use, self-dissolving packets. The natural enzymes release a fresh fragrance. If you value convenience and a fresh-smelling RV, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Have been using this for 3 or 4 years and works well for our camper black tank. They also take up less space, which is always good in an RV. So don't let the size fool you. I bought these and they work amazing. No smells, no backup. It's been a couple months now, so I'm convinced they work. Number 3. Unique Clear It RV Black Tank Unclogger. Is your RV black tank causing you trouble? This product is designed to tackle those frustrating clogs. It's easy to use and gets the job done. Simply add this liquid to your tank and let it work its magic. In just a few days, it breaks down the clogs without any driving required. This product is very convenient. This powerful formula clears all types of clogs, including compacted waste and toilet paper. It's safe for your seals and valves, so you don't have to worry about damage. Whether it's a new clog or an old one, this product can handle it. It breaks down solid waste, even if it's been there for a while. It's a reliable solution. This product uses a strong bioenzymatic blend for maximum effectiveness. It contains higher concentrations of activated cleaners than other uncloggers. It is the best choice. With every purchase, you get access to the unique CARES program. You can get expert assistance from their Colorado-based certified RV tech team. They are ready to help. What we like. This product is the strongest unclogger on the market, designed to break through pyramid plugs and compacted waste. It breaks down solid waste, including toilet paper, no matter how old it is. If you're facing stubborn clogs and need a powerful solution, this is the one for you. What people say. This product is amazing and it does work. Follow the directions. After 10 years I had a very stubborn black water tank clog, poured 2 bottles of this after closing the tank and let it sit for 4.5 days, which completely solved the problem. This is an extremely effective product when combined with a bit of patience. We had a pyramid plug in our black water tank in our RV, we used this to the directions one time and it was clear. Number 2. Unique Clean It RV Black Tank Cleaner, 32 ounces. Are you tired of dealing with unpleasant odors and waste in your RV? This is the solution. It's like a power wash for your black tank, ensuring a clean and fresh experience. This new formula works in just 48 to 72 hours, and no driving is required. It cleans more effectively than a black tank cleaning wand, saving you time and effort. This cleaner is powered by billions of enzymes and probiotics, and it won't damage seals or valves. It's designed to be tough on waste but gentle on your system. This helps eliminate persistent porta-potty odors and prevent compacted tanks and clogged pipes. It even cleans the corners and crevices of your black tank. Whether it's an old problem or a new one, this product breaks down solid waste, toilet tissue, and sludge. It digests all brands of household and RV toilet paper. With every purchase, you get exclusive access to the unique CARES program. You'll receive expert assistance from their Colorado-based certified RV tech team to solve your wastewater issues. What we like. This product offers a deep clean, effectively resetting your black tank and eliminating persistent odors. It prevents compacted tanks and clogged pipes. If you're looking for a thorough cleaning solution to keep your tank fresh and functioning, you should consider this. What people say. It worked perfectly. After 3 days, I hit the flush, and whoosh, that clog was gone faster than Crooked Hillary's emails. Completely cleared. Clean as a whistle. This is the first time my black tank read empty. I left this product in for 3 days. I emptied the black tank and used the tank rinse feature for 20 minutes and now the sensors are clear and working. Number 1. Unique Restore It RV Black Tank Sensor Cleaner. Is your RV black tank sensor giving you trouble? This cleaner is designed to clean and restore misreading sensors. It breaks down waste and toilet paper buildup, allowing them to function properly. Typically, it works within 48 to 72 hours, and no driving is necessary. The product is specifically designed for black water holding tanks. It effectively reverses years of waste accumulation. This product works on problems no matter how old or new they are, even in permanently parked RVs. It digests solid waste, toilet tissue, and residual sludge. It contains the strongest, most effective bioenzymatic cleaners available. One bottle contains more active ingredients than any other leading sensor cleaner. It won't damage or degrade seals or valves. With every purchase, you get exclusive access to the unique CARES program. You'll receive expert assistance from our Colorado-based certified RV tech team to help solve your wastewater issues. We are here to help you experience worry-free RVing. What we like. This product cleans and restores misreading sensor probes by removing stuck-on waste. It effectively reverses years of waste accumulation. If you're experiencing issues with your tank sensors and want to ensure accurate readings, you should consider this. What people say. Works exactly like I expected. Great product. My sensors work now. Seems like it did the trick. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.